Good afternoon, dear student. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay, so dear student, as you all know, this is your maths teacher Joy Singh. So welcome to the maths class. Student, in the last class, I have told you we are discussing about the division and one question I have left yesterday. So today I am going to be finished. Okay. Now see here, division chapter. Everyone take out your maths book, page number 107. 107. Okay, now see here, fill in the boxes. Okay, using fill in the boxes. Okay, fill in the boxes so that each of the following statement may become true. Okay, now see. "25 divided box is equals to 5. 8 divided box is equals to 4. Box divide 3 is equals to 4. Now let's see this question. Okay, now 25 box divided is equals to 5. अब आप सोचेंगे कि कैसे इसको मैं फाइंड आउट करूं. ओके, तो नाउ सी हियर 5 के टेबल में 25 कितने टाइम्स में आता है. आपको इसको फाइंड आउट करना है कि आपके इस टेबल में 5 के टेबल में 25 कितने टाइम्स में आता है. तो 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 5 3 जा 15, 5 4 जा 20 and 5 5 जा 25. So you are going to write down here 5. Answer is 5. Okay, so like this आपको यहाँ ये बॉक्स को फिल करनी है. Now again, now in 4's table 8 comes in how many times? 4 के टेबल में 8 जो है वो कितने टाइम्स में आता है. So let's start table. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. So 4 2 जा 8, 4 2 जा 8 means 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. Answer is right. Okay. Now see here. अब यहाँ पे तो आपका different है box and divided by 3. तो here what you are going to do? Here you are going to multiply. Okay, 3 को 4 से multiply करना है. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9 and 3 4 जा 12. So आपको यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? 12 means 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Very simple. आप कर लेंगे. Okay, now let's see some more question. Box divided by 5 is equals to 7. Box divided by 4 is equals to 8. Box divided by 5 is equals to 1. Okay, now let's see the next question. Here all front box. Okay, now see 5 7 जा 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 5 3 जा 15, 5 4 जा 20, 5 5 जा 25, 5 6 जा 30 and 5 7 जा 35. So answer is 35. Okay, now here you see 4 का टेबल 4 8 जा 4 8 जा 32. मुझे याद है इसलिए मैं डायरेक्टली लिख रही हूँ. इसलिए आपको भी टेबल क्या करना है, लर्न करनी है. नाउ 5 1 जा 5. तो आंसर है 5. It is simple. Okay, now let's see next. 100 divided by box is equals to 10. 24 divided by box is equals to 8. Sorry, is equals to 6. 35 divided by 5 is equals to box again. Now let's see here. in 10's table 100 comes in how many times? 10 के टेबल में 100 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? तो it comes in 10's time. So I have written here 10. Okay. Now in 6 का टेबल में 24 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? 4 टाइम में. तो 4 मैंने यहाँ लिख दिया. Now 35 divided by 5 यानी कि 5 के टेबल में आपको फाइंड आउट करना है 35 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? तो 7 टाइम्स में आता है. Okay. Now again 36 divided by 4 is equals to box. 32 divided 4 is equals to 8. 28 divided 4 is equals to 7. Okay. Now see here in 4's table 36 divided by 4 means 4 का टेबल में 36 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? 9. So 9 I have written here. Now in 8's table 32 comes in how many times? 4. Okay. Now in 4's table 28 comes in how many times? 4 7s are 28. So this is the answer. So write down in your book. Okay student, and after writing this complete it in your copy. Okay, so do it. Okay, done student. It is very simple. Done. Okay, now come to the next question on the same page. Okay, on the same page, see here. What is the question? In the following division problems, write yes if you can divide and write no if you cannot. Okay, so write yes if you divide. Okay, or write no if you cannot. Okay, so see the question. 6 divided by 9, 3. Then 15 divided by 5, 10 divided by 10. 15 divided by 3. 8 divided by 2. 4 divided by 8. 18 divide 3. 24 divide 4. 3 divide 9. 12 divide 4. 5 divide 10. 5 divide 5. Okay, so these are the question, and you are going to write down ki if you divide, you are going to write down yes, and if you are not, you are cannot divide, then you are going to write down no. Okay, now 3 divided by 6. अब 3 के टेबल में 6 नो सॉरी 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 6 नहीं होता, 6 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 होता है, बट आप यानी कि 6 के टेबल में 3 नहीं आ सकता. आप 6 लिखेंगे फिर 3 लिखेंगे तो ये डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आप क्या राइट डाउन करेंगे? नो. नाउ 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 5, यस 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 हो सकता है. Okay, now 10 divided by 10, yes. 15 divided by 3, yes. Now 8 divided by 2, yes. 4 divided by 8, no. Okay, ये नहीं हो सकता तो no. 18 divided by 3, yes. 24 divided by 4, yes. 3 divided by 9, no. 12 divided by 4, yes. 5 divided by 10, no. 5 divided by 5, yes. Okay, so these are the answers, so write down. Done, student? Okay students, so I hope you all have done. Okay, and this is all about division chapter, and from tomorrow I'm going to start a new chapter, unit 8. Okay, and also student, on Thursday we are having an conversation class. Okay, interaction between you and us, means interaction between us. ठीक है, तो आप गूगल मीट ऐप डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा. So see you tomorrow. So till then, bye. Keep learning.